Alright, out here today working on a 2001 Toyota Echo. We're going to show you how to switch out one of the coil packs. We've already switched out 3, and we're going to do the last one here. If you're having a misfire in your car, make sure you go get it checked out. It could be just as simple as this right here. We're going to show you how to get it started. First things first, got this clip right here with the wiring that feeds into the actual coil pack. It's got a little push spot here. You can push this down just a tad bit. When you do that, come right underneath it. Don't pull up too hard, just pull up just enough for it to pass this little lip. When you do that, wiggle it back and that pops out. Once that part is done, you're going to move on to this bolt right here. Which actually, you want the bolt, the ratchet sides itself, it's a number 10. Go ahead and start loosening that up. Gotta be careful not to break it, so let it break loose a little bit. Always, when you're working on something like this, I like to start with one coil pack at a time. Put your bolt right here on the hood, or right there on the windshield side, so you don't lose it. Very simple. Just take this coil pack and pull up. That's already out. We're gonna go ahead and get the new coil pack that we ordered in from AutoZone. A lot of times you could clean this area. We're not doing that now, but we're just doing a test on this. Go ahead and push this coil pack in. Once it's in, put your bolt back on, tighten it up. Do that, turn the ratchet to the tightening side. We're gonna go ahead and tighten this bolt down some. All right, once that's tightened, go ahead and put this clip back on. And you are done.